we will interact more, channel your issues to the student council's office, and you will want to be assisted. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's appreciate and collect them so that they can be answered later. Sasa, Madam Jemeli, it's your time, karibuni. And always remember to sign our attendance list. It's mandatory.
And other issues. Make sure you have some safety. Go for it as hard as possible before we start the practicals. We don't want to see you being expelled out of the workshops that you are not in the correct gears. And lastly, I want to encourage you one thing. When you come to Riragia and find yourself, you have moved out with a skill and you have gotten a job outside there, you will be glad. Actually, I know you will remember Riragia because it molded you. And if you walk out with nothing, I know you will not remember Riragia. So, understand who you are, where you come from, your background, and then move on. Lastly, for those continuing students and the newcomers, to enable the student council to be able to support you much, you need to do what you call supporting us too by paying the student council fee. It is 1,500. I would like to just urge you, if you are not paid, just pay to enable you being assisted wherever you can.
Interact with them. So be well to know how to communicate with them well, and utaweza kusaidika. Hii maisha hauwezi ishi peke yako. And the next skill that I have is problem solving. You'll be able to, unaweza pata uko na shida maybe in the finance department. You'll be able to interact with other people to know the person who is in charge hapo. Ukienda tu kwa hiyo account office utaweza kusaidiwa. And ukiwa na challenges tu zingine maybe shule, and you can be able to interact with other people. So